Here's a fun challenge. Can you guess which planet in our solar system spins the fastest? Take a second to think about it. Maybe you're thinking it's Earth, since we complete a full rotation every 24 hours. That's pretty speedy, right? But what if I told you there's a planet that leaves Earth in the cosmic dust? The real champion of spin is Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Not only is it the biggest planet, but it's also the fastest spinner by far. Jupiter's day is shockingly short. It completes one full rotation in just about 9 hours and 56 minutes. That's less than half an Earth day. Imagine how quickly the sun would rise and set if you lived there. To put it in perspective, if you were on Jupiter, you'd see the sun zip across the sky in just a few hours. That's over twice as fast as Earth's rotation. And compared to other planets, Jupiter's rotation speed is off the charts. Saturn comes in second, spinning once every 10.5 hours. But after that, the rest of the planets are much slower. Mars takes about 24.6 hours, and Venus is the slowpoke, taking a whopping 243 Earth days to spin once. So why does Jupiter spin so fast? It all goes back to how it formed. Jupiter is mostly made of hydrogen and helium gas, and when it was born, it gobbled up a massive amount of spinning, swirling material from the early solar system. As all that gas and dust collapsed inward, it spun faster and faster, kind of like an ice skater pulling in their arms to spin quicker. This is called conservation of angular momentum, and Jupiter is the ultimate example. That original momentum stuck with Jupiter, cranking up its rotation speed to incredible levels. And because it's so massive, it kept spinning fast without slowing down much over billions of years. Jupiter's rapid spin has some wild effects. For one, it's not a perfect sphere. The planet is noticeably squished at the poles and bulges at the equator, a shape called an oblate spheroid. In fact, Jupiter's equator is more than 7,000 kilometers wider than the distance from pole to pole. That's like stretching the United States from coast to coast, and then some. And get this, if you could somehow stand on Jupiter's surface, which you can't because it's all gas, you'd be spinning around the planet at over 28,000 miles per hour. That's about 45,000 kilometers per hour. Jupiter's fast spin also powers its wild weather. The rapid rotation creates powerful jet streams, splitting its atmosphere into colorful bands and fueling those famous storms like the Great Red Spot, a hurricane bigger than Earth that's been raging for centuries. So next time you spot Jupiter shining in the night sky, remember, it's not just the biggest planet in our solar system. It's also the ultimate cosmic carousel, spinning faster than any other planet around. Wild, right? If you found these Jupiter facts as mind-blowing as I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more space secrets. Until next time, keep looking up.